Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the flip side.
See you on the flip side.
I just want to take a moment to encourage y'all, if you have any water leaks, standing water, anywhere you see some black going up your wall, get it remediated. It is not healthy to live in a house full of mold. The first day I walked this house before we knew it had mold, I was coughing the whole day. Like, get it remediated. You can cut it out. You can call a company, just take care of it because it can really mess up your respiratory system. So I just want to put that out there. So as I told y'all before, we've kind of already started doing a lot of demo. Remember I was telling y'all about that mold, right? Look at all of this. This is so bad. Like this isn't the worst of it. This is not the worst of it, but there was so much mold throughout this house. We were gonna try to save these baseboards. They gotta go. Now come in here. Let me show y'all in here. Whew. Look at this corner over here. Remember that mold I was telling y'all about? We'll visit over there, but there's a half bath on the other side of this wall. Look at all of this. So my guys are gonna come in, we're gonna cut it, we're gonna remediate it, get it all out of here for the next owner, because I am a strong advocate of we don't keep mold in a house.
It's very important to remediate as soon as possible. And once you remediate it, it looks like this. Take a look at this half bathroom. It's still pretty bad.
Yeah,
so
look at that.
Let's just imagine this is the before and this will be the after.
I talked to y'all about mold. Now let's talk about filters.
Ooh.
You can't do this. You can't do this. Think about your lungs. Think about your children. Think about the world, okay? You can't do this. This is disgusting. And it also messes up your HVAC system too, because now your HVAC is like sucking back in dirty stuff, you know, like this is where the air is sucked back in. So imagine like your regular vent, like here where the air is coming out. So basically come out, suck in, come out, suck in. You're just recycling dust and dirt, build up in your HVAC, and we're gonna get this one flushed and clean, so we'll take care of that. But just a little note for all you homeowners, you don't have to be a homeowner. People that are in apartment complexes, change those vents. I believe my HVAC guy said like every 3 months. He told me he changes his monthly though, so. Put your filters on a subscription on Amazon, have them mailed to your door. You've seen the current condition, you've seen the befores. We cannot wait to show y'all the after.
This journey is going to be amazing. So watch how we design this house by staying low. This is the lowest budget she's ever had to deal with.
I can't wait to see how I'm able to maximize this budget and give the homeowner a beautiful home and just make the investor happy, the homeowner happy, and be happy with, you know, my work.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my flip. We painted the whole house. Really nice. We also have trim color, which is so pretty. I really like it a lot. It took us some time to identify what color I wanted to go with. I finally picked my color choice and I'm really happy with it. This is what we were doing today, trying to pick out paint color for the cabinet. We put it on the cabinets, waited for it to dry to really see what it would look like. So the decision that we decided to go with was a combination of pepper, black pepper, and the trim color. So this is gonna be the top and that's gonna be at the bottom. And I really like it.
Here we're gonna get new fixtures. We are actually gonna move this recessed lighting and we're gonna center it and create 2 pendants here. We're gonna do a recessed lighting there, another pendant over the breakfast nook, right over the table, and then here in the living room. We haven't really picked that one yet, so I think we're just gonna go with the light fixture and then as well as the dining room, a really grand look in there. The entryway, this one we have to make really dramatic because it's gonna be one of the first things you see when you walk in the house. It gotta be popping.
You wanted to make the same length?
Probably, yeah. It could be a little bit shorter, but whatever it is, it needs to be big and popping.
Like real, like a bold, a statement piece. I'm gonna do a white farmhouse sink. Sink faucet is gonna be black and gold. We're gonna have a pot filler, so I'm excited. All right, so we're going upstairs, and as you can see, we have new carpet. It looks really good, I love it. The trim color, we also put it on the doors. So this is the upstairs bathroom. So we're gonna do ceramic towel on the floors, and then we're also gonna do large format towel on the shower walls, as well as a soap niche. Also new lighting at the top as well too.
So today we are here for the big reveal for Krystal's split. She hasn't seen it yet. She's been on vacation. We went in, we finished it, we staged it, and this will be her first time seeing it. How do you feel?
I'm excited. I'm ready to see it.
Well, once again, thank you for putting all your trust in Mosaic Construction and Interiors by Jay. We can't wait to show you what you got.
Okay, let's go.
Work your feet.
Okay, let me take the key out. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It looks so good! And the color.
Yeah, the color looks good.
It turned out really good. Oh, and then, girl, my dream, the wall wasn't done either. I forgot that part.
Oh my god.
Oh, the shelf! In my dream, it wasn't there either.
Oh my god.
Girl, oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Oh, look.
It's a little Bible story.
And it has grace. You know, it's my daughter.
I did it on purpose.
You did it on purpose?
I did.
Oh, really?
I really did.
You did that on purpose.
I really did. I flipped the pages
to show grace.
I mean, okay, so yes, I knew it was grace. I was swiping, I was going through to see like what's a good one I could find. And when I got to this one, I was like, I got grace. And then I was like, I got His word. I was like, oh, it's perfect.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I really did it on purpose, I promise.
I believe you. This is nice, Jakita. You did amazing. Oh my goodness. No, this looks really, really, really good, Jakita.
Okay.
This looks amazing. Oh, you did the bedroom too? Okay.
I just didn't do it.
Yes, this looks really good. It looks good. You did it. You did your thing.
Like it for real?
Girl, yes. You know I can't be fake
Okay.
at all. No, it looks really good. It looks way better than what I expected.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well that's good.
Not that I expected less of you.
Yeah.
Just with the time and all that stuff. And I definitely feel like this is gonna help me sell this house like quick. Staging really makes the house look so different.
For sure.
You are really talented.
It's really just stuff. You just put pretty stuff in places.
No,
and
girl.
really
If I had to do this, this stuff would be looking. I ain't gonna do it.
Okay, so we just finished the walkthrough with Krystal and got her organic reaction. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I'm really happy. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
If y'all saw anything that y'all liked or anything you wanted us to tweak, maybe something else that Krystal could tell us about that she wants to see done differently on the next project, stay tuned for it.
See you on the flip side.
Yeah, home is your shelter and it's your peace. And on the flip side, it could be unique.
And it was no couch in the living room. And then you had a rocking chair, like on the side of the fireplace. It was so weird.
Okay, that's not what happened.
And then you were like, you told me my budget couldn't afford a couch.
Just give it time.
Now it helps though. Look how she's like,
That no.
Just give it time. We fix homes and we see you on the flip side.